Hey guys, it's Rachel, and I'm here today because I just got my latest Goodwill Blue Box denim box in the mail. If you guys have not tried Goodwill Blue Box, I actually learned about them not too long ago on Instagram, and they have a bunch of different mystery boxes that they sell. This I think is my third or maybe fourth denim box. The first one I got was amazing. So much cool stuff in there. The second and the third were complete loss. Like nothing good. It was all junk. So this is number 4. I decided to give it one more try just to see, maybe it's one of those hit or miss kind of things. I don't know. But I will open this one with you guys today so that you can see what I received, and hopefully it helps you make a decision if this is maybe something you would use to source for your own business. So let's jump right in. So this is a Goodwill mixed jeans box. So I'm expecting 10 to 12 pairs of jeans. It was $19.99 for the box plus $5 shipping. So I've got 10 to 12 pairs of jeans for $24.99. So let's jump right in. All right, what's on top here? These are Style & Co. straight leg. They're like an olive green. Not the best start. Style & Co. is from like Kohl's or something. JCPenney, I don't know. I don't pick this brand up. More Style & Co. These are brown. They are straight leg. This might be the one little saving grace here. Okay, so they are both the same style and the same size. I might be able to sell them together. Maybe. I don't know. What else we have here? Style & Co. These are a size 12. They're capris. They look like they're in good condition, but I don't pick up this brand. I don't know that I'm going to list these. Do people wear capri jeans in 2021? I don't even know. Okay, these are Bacchini, I think. Here, let me show you. This is the brand. I don't know what this is. I don't pick it up ever. It's a size 14 though. Okay, these are cute though. Look, they've got these embroidered bottoms. Can you guys see? That's kind of adorable. Yes? Embroidered is in right now, so, and these are a size 14, so, okay. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wah, wah. I see some Walmart jeans. These are capris. They're Earl. I know this is sold at Walmart or maybe Target, not Target, Meijer. I don't know. Probably won't sell those. Oh, these are Ralph Lauren, and they are purple, and they are tapered leg. Can you see? These might actually be vintage. They're a little bit dirty, like surface dirt, but hopefully there's a tag. Let's see what these say. These are size 4 relaxed fit, 100% cotton. They made in the USA? Please be made in the USA. It doesn't say. What kind of jeans don't say where they're made? Oh, made in Mexico. Just kidding. So I don't know. These might be, I'll have to look and see, because I know that this style is kind of in right now. The relaxed style, the high waist. These are a maybe. I don't pick up a lot of Ralph Lauren, like the lower labels, so I don't know. I can already see a spot on these. What are these? W62. I've seen this brand. I don't pick it up. Here, I'll show you here. It's W62. It's it feels super cheap. I'm sure it's from like a grocery store like Meijer or Walmart. I'm not listing those either. All right. These are This is the Style & Co. box. So these are Style & Co. straight leg, size 14. I'm probably not going to list these. I don't know. Why? Okay. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pair in. There's a couple more in here. Let's hope it gets a little better. These are Jordache. Okay, I never say this brand right. Here, I'll show you. So I think that these are an older brand. Like this brand used to be really popular in the 80s maybe. But these don't look like they're from the 80s. These are Jordache Legacy. The tag has been cut out, so I can't tell you where they're made. But there is some codes on there's another tag in here that has some style codes. So maybe I can look these up and see if they're worth anything or if they're worth listing. All right, so what was that? 9, 10. This is number 10. St. John's Bay. Capris. They have a tag from Reprieve. I don't know. That must be some kind of secondhand store. I'm probably not listing those. There's 2 more pair of jeans in here. These are Lucky Brand. Oh, Lucky Brand Brook legging jeans. So unless that last pair is something really good, these are probably going to be the best ones in the box. I can hopefully make my money back, break even on the box with this 1 pair of jeans. So thank goodness. Okay, last pair. What's this? Gloria Vanderbilt. I don't list Gloria Vanderbilt. It's cheap from, I think, Kohl's or Sears or something. So those will not be getting listed. All right, so that is 12 pairs of jeans, $24.99. I might list maybe 3 or 4 of these pair of jeans, and the other 8 are going to probably get redonated. So not the best box. Would I purchase this again based on this box? Probably not. I will post a follow-up to this. What I like to do is list the items and then give you a follow-up of what actually sold within 90 days. I go by 90 days because I have a really small space and it's hard to keep inventory around. I like to quickly flip my items. So I kind of rule of thumb myself 90 days. If it sells in 90 days, it was a good buy. So I'll update you in 90 days on what sold, and typically to me, it's a good box if I can triple my money in 90 days. So if after fees and shipping and all that, I've made $75 on this box, I'll call it a good box. However, I doubt it, but I'll let you know. So make sure you subscribe. Definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a like and click that bell so you get notified when I do future videos and if you want an update on what happened with this stuff. Thanks for watching today, and I will see you guys soon.